Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make apple pie without an oven. This easy method allows you to enjoy a classic dessert with minimal fuss. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final chilling process. Get ready to create a warm, comforting treat using just a few simple steps and common kitchen items. It's perfect for any occasion. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 4 medium apples, peeled, cored, and sliced thinly. For the filling, have 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon ready. Don't forget your pie crust. A pre-made graham cracker crust works wonderfully, or you can easily prepare a simple one yourself. Now let's cook the delicious apple filling. In a medium saucepan, combine your sliced apples, sugar, water, and cinnamon. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally for about 10 to 15 minutes. The apples should become tender and soft, and the liquid will thicken slightly. This creates that wonderful, warm apple pie flavor. Finally, it's time to assemble and chill your pie. Carefully pour the warm apple filling into your prepared graham cracker crust, spreading it evenly. Let the pie cool completely at room temperature first. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 to 3 hours. This allows the pie to set perfectly before you slice and enjoy your no-oven apple pie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.